Today we're going to add and subtract fractions with common denominators. Let's review what a fraction is. A fraction is a number with a division or fraction bar and then another number. The top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is the denominator. The denominator tells us how many pieces something is divided into. Denominator divided. Numerator tells us the number of pieces we're going to use. So going on with our pizza example, say you buy 2 pizzas and they're the same size and one is pepperoni and one is cheese. Now we're going to divide these pizzas into 8 pieces. More or less. Okay. Now, what we want to do here is say, when your family came to the table, pepperoni was more popular and they ate 5 of the 8 slices. So they ate this one, and this one, and this one, this one, and this one. The cheese pizza was not as popular and only 2 pieces were eaten. 2 out of 8. Remember, each pizza is divided into 8 pieces, and we ate 5 of the pepperoni and 2 of the cheese. So how many pieces were eaten in total? That's an addition problem. Now, both of these pizzas are divided into the same amount of pieces. So we keep that. Our answer will be in this same amount. Then we actually add the pieces that were eaten. 5 plus 2. 7 eighths. And we can check it from our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have eaten 7 out of 8 pieces. Now the question you should ask when you're adding fractions is the denominator the same in all the fractions? And if it is, you just move it on over, write it in the bottom, and then you add the top like you normally add. Now what about subtraction? So how many pieces do we have all together before anyone ate anything? That's 8 of the 8 pizzas. We had a whole pizza. And we're going to subtract the number of pieces eaten. And of course we can see right here we have 3 left, but it's also here as well. And we ask the same question when we subtract. Is the denominator the same in each fraction? If it is, we can go ahead and work the problem. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 of the 8 pieces are left. 3. Same thing over here. Starting with a whole cheese pizza, we ate 2 of the 8 pieces. How many are left? The denominators are the same. Now I can subtract. 8 minus or take away 2 is 6. 6 out of 8 pieces are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the important question is when you're adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions are a little different, but adding and subtracting, the denominators have to be the same and your answer is the same as the denominators that you used. That needs to be very clear. That's the first question you should ask yourself. Now, there's a couple other problems in here. Let's talk about a way that we can figure out the total number left. One way we could do it is to say 3/8 of the pepperoni pizza plus 6/8 of the cheese pizza. We add that. Our denominators are the same. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 out of 8 pieces are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one way we could do it. We can also make this a subtraction problem. And I'm going to write that here. In all, we had 16 pieces in pizzas that were divided into 8 pieces because we had 2 pizzas. So if we counted it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 pieces. And we ate 7/8 of them. So we have a subtraction problem. First question. Is the denominator the same in each fraction? It is. I will use the same denominator. 16 minus 7 is 9. Notice that matches the answer down here where we added it. Here we subtracted from the total number of pieces. Here we added the pieces that were left in each pizza. So there's a lot of ways that we can add and subtract from a story problem like this. But the thing to remember is the denominators have to be the same in order to do addition or subtraction. Next time we'll talk about multiplication.